to better deal with all the images that the cars are using. If we're looking at millions of cars constantly transmitting video data via their sensors, it is very easy to overload cloud or even data centers at this level. So one thing that they obtained just after a superficial overview of how the visual cortex works and what I briefly explained in the first slide, basically they're using a recurrent neural network. It's a very crude estimation of what the visual cortex might be doing. But as you can see, instead of seeing entire videos and having 3D models of millions of images, they managed to extract the borders of the road, which is actually really important. And come to think of it, the trees around the houses and everything else is not something that you need to have in your algorithm. The algorithm doesn't need to process all that. So this is already a step forward, and it's actually much more similar to how your eyes are processing the world. And then last time I also mentioned the Neuralink architecture. So a year ago, you could see the implant on the left. I don't know why the skull looks a bit cracked on the left. It looks, it's probably some kind of inside joke, but it's not. So you can see here the LEDs were quite big and they were going throughout the entire brain. Today, the implant is much smaller. So their aim is to go towards something that is as invasive as the LASIK surgery, which is something most people are comfortable